Hello friends, I hope you are all doing well. In this video I will show you how to mount the action camera to our helmet. I am using MT helmet, which is one of the good brand we get in the Indian market. This is the helmet which I am using from past 4 years, and this is the spot where I am going to mount the action camera. To mount the camera on the helmet, we will need the following items like curved mount, 3M mounting tape, yes 3M mount, M seal which is available at some plumbing shop which cost ₹10. RDT gum which we get in the same plumbing shop too and which cost ₹50. And some mount which is available along with the action camera. The main thing which we need is M seal. Now we start where we need to mount the camera for the helmet. Having in the chin in the proper spot will ensure that it won't wobble while riding. This is the place where I am going to mount the camera. First thing, we need to mark the place that needs to be mounted. Mark it on the corners. There will be gaps, so I am using the M seals. Both the sides there will be gaps, so I am using M seal to cover up the gaps. The first thing we need to do is mark the place that needs to be mounted. I am using pen to mark, but you can use anything. But don't use marker pens because the nibs will be more bigger than the pen. So mark the corners of the mount. Where we need to be kept M seals. Starting out, I am using M seal inside, which will be 2 packets that will have to mix thoroughly for 5 minutes. To mix the M seals, I am not using gloves. Better use gloves because it is a chemical and which stinks. Now we see it's done. Let's place this on a mount and give it a proper shape to place it on a helmet. Place the MCs and cover entire mount area. Now I am removing the mount to place the MCs into an helmet. Keep the mount and press mount hard so it covers the entire mount area. I'm covering the MCs which came out of the mount. Now I am removing the extra MCs which came out of the mount so it looks good. The extra MCs which I am removing, I am just covering the same into an helmet. The main thing is we need to cover the edges. Before it get hard, so we need to remove entire extra MCs. To dry MCs it takes almost for 1 hour, so before that we need to get it done. Now I think it's done. Let's give it just to dry for an hour, but to show you guys, let me continue. Here where I'm going to mount the 3M mount tape. For that reason I'm making smooth. Once it's done, we need to keep it for a dry, minimum for an hour. Use some tissues to clean the mount and apply 3M mounting tape. In 3M mounting tape, both the sides will be stick, so you can stick in whichever side. Go with the proper spot. Once it's stick, it's too hard to remove, so be sure the position of the camera is correct before you attach to the helmet mount. Once the 3M mounting tape is been attached, it's very hard to remove. You may let me remove the tape and attach the mount to a helmet and press it hard for some minutes. Before attaching, place the tape exact location of the MC. Now here the MC is not dry. For that reason I am not pressing hard. Now I need to cover the area with MCs so it looks good. I am taking the MCs which is left over. I am applying for an helmet. Cover the MCs, adjust to a mount. If we cover the MCs to a mount, it will stick hard, so it won't come while riding. Make the MC smooth so it looks the same mount shape. Now it's done with everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see more videos.